Hi friends, once again welcome to my channel Shortcuts. Can you do this question in 5 seconds? Yes, we can. Now we are dealing how to do this question in 5 seconds. So let's look how to solve this question. For that we need to know an equation, that is when theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degree, tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 will be 1, or cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 will be 1. So this is our next master equation. So just substitute this equation here. Then we will get tan 15 into tan 30 into tan 45 into tan 60 into tan 75. This is what we need to answer. Just look here. We know tan 15 and tan 75. We know that theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 15 plus 75, that's equal to 90. When we use this in here, or when we use this equation, we will get it as 1 as the answer. Like that, tan 30 and tan 60, we will also get it as 1. And we all know what is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So the answer of this question will be 1 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 1 itself. So we get answer as 1 of this question in just 5 seconds. So this is our next question. Tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta equal to 1. Then find tan 3 theta. In this question, we want to just do the reverse of this equation. That is, when tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to 1, then theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90. So just use this equation here. Then we will get it as 5 theta plus 4 theta equal to 90 degree and 9 theta equal to 90 degree, which means theta equal to 10 degree. Substitute this theta in this equation. That is the question. Then tan 3 theta will be equal to tan 3 into 10 degree, that is tan 30 degree. That is, we all know it is 1 by root 3. So we just got the answer of this question in just 5 seconds. The next question, that is cot 11 theta into cot 7 theta equal to 1. Find tan 9 theta. So we are just simply looking at the answer. We all know that when cot 11 theta into cot 7 theta equal to 1, then 11 theta plus 7 theta will be equal to 90 degree. That is 18 theta will be equal to 90 degree. That is theta equal to 90 by 18. That is equal to 5 degree. So just substitute it into the question. That is tan 9 theta will be equal to tan 9 into 5 degree. That will be equal to tan 45. That is equal to, we all know the answer, that is 1. So we get the answer so quickly here. So we move on to our next question, and one of the most repeated question on KEAM examination. So let's do this. We know that when tan a plus b into tan a minus b equal to 1, a plus b plus a minus b will be equal to 90 degree. That is 2a will be equal to 90 degree and a will be equal to 45 degree. Substitute this a into our question. Then we will get it as tan 2 into 45 degree by 3. That is tan 90 by 3. That is tan 30 degree, which we all know, which is 1 by root 3. So how fast we have solved the one of the most repeated questions on key with just 5 seconds. So I hope you all are clear, and I give you a sample question which is also the most repeated question in trigonometric section of KEAM examination. So here is your question. So here is your most repeated question on KEAM examination. Hope you all like this video, and please comment the answer of this question in the comment box. Share this video to your friends. If you like this video, you just click the like button and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.